Okay. Hello everyone. Today we are going to do our last reflection video. So my name is Nur Amira.
My name is Ayuni.
My name is Li Xuan.
My name is Eugenia.
I'm Ra'ayin.
I'm Haja. Okay. So you guys, what you have learned on the previous video? What we have learned?
So for ours, we have done 2 comic strips. First is the tiger and the
Tiger and the
rabbit.
rabbit.
Yeah, tiger and the rabbit, and this one, the second one is alien and human.
So maybe we can conclude first comic first.
Yes.
Yeah, the tiger and the rabbit.
So the tiger and rabbit is about friendship, right?
Yeah.
How they what sacrifice?
Help. They help each other.
Help each other from being victim from the people. So
Yeah.
Maybe from that we can saw the precaution of the rabbit when the rabbit want to eat the carrot.
I know what you're trying to say. Because in the first comic strip, it's about friendship, right? What she meant by precaution is that when the rabbit was harvesting the carrot, he heard the crack sound, and he was aware of the danger.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
First.
so how about the flow? We have managed to do that comic strip.
What do you mean? Sorry?
The flow, I mean that the process how we are.
Actually, I think I'm very grateful to have this team because we have the one that can be drawn, like Linko and Amira. Yeah. At least we have someone that can draw. I know, right? So I'm quite grateful for that.
To be true, I'm very happy to do the first comic strip because we have the chances to draw, to color the cartoon. So the process was really enjoyable,
Yeah.
and even the character itself, yeah.
Linko?
For me, it's very nice to meet you guys, and it's very nice chance to draw the tiger and the rabbit, the story of the tiger and the rabbit. And what I know is help others is help ourselves, because if I help you and you maybe one day I'm in danger or I'm in trouble, and you will help me also. So this is what I learned. Yeah.
Okay, so for me, from the first comic strip, I learned that, we said on our first meeting, most of us cannot draw. And then Linko also have a hard time to actually draw this kind of drawings, right? But then he still tried, and we managed to, give the task. In the end, we did the comic strip successfully. Yeah. It's good that we get the chance to color it together.
Yes.
The important is we are managed to brainstorming the ideas, how to create the storyline. So it is a wonderful.
I think this team very have good cooperative commitment. Because I heard some teams, other teams have hard
To manage to find
to
a method.
cooperate each other. They have hard time to to meet, to set time, to set place.
My very first impression, because Eugene from KI-17 and Linko is a foreign student, and then the first time before we're going to meet, I was
First
like,
impression.
oh my god, how
It's gonna be hard.
Yeah, because how we going to communicate with Linko, and then how Eugene and Linko, maybe they will have some problems with transportation to meet us. But anyway, we made it.
We did it until last week.
Okay.
So back to the comic.
Yeah. Okay.
So the moral story,
For the first comic
Comic.
strip.
friendship, right? So maybe we can elaborate more.
I think Linko already said it just now.
Help each other.
if we help each other, he said if I help someone and then later
We have
the goods will come back to me.
Yeah.
in what comes around. Nothing.
yeah. There is some
Yeah, there's a proverbs.
proverbs.
What goes around comes
Yeah, what goes around comes around. Thank you. Okay.
Maybe we can find more moral values in that story. Only one.
Because I thought of how to imagine the picture because I'm not really remember.
We have to recall.
Recall, yeah. Take time. So actually, he was managed to develop the skill of drawing. I think because drawing is just like have to imagine how to draw like this, how to draw like that.
Okay, so shall we move on to the next comic?
Yes.
7 minutes.
Only 7 minutes. Okay. Now we are in the second comic strip, right?
I think Buffs, I think we can find the lacking on the
Oh, on the first comic.
first comic.
You can
Maybe Lingo can tell how you
the problems you face.
the
while
problem you
drawing.
face. Yeah.
The most difficult thing is the most difficult part for me is how to draw the tiger. Yeah, if it's only the face of the tiger, only the head, so it's easy. But what I need to draw is the whole one, the head, the body, and only the tail, and also the hands, feet. So it's hard to make the tiger's action. Yeah, how he will act in this scene or next scene. Yeah, this is the most difficult for me. For the rabbit, yeah, it's easy because it's maybe tiny, very small. So it's not like a tiger is a big one, and also the story is simple. It's simple. So for me, the whole comic is most difficult is the tiger.
But you did manage to draw it well.
Yeah.
Because I Google search some pictures from other cartoon and also other comic strip, the tiger. So I do some copy from them. Yeah.
So if
How do you manage to finish the comic? Because you have a 10, right?
Yeah.
So what time you finish the comic? How long?
Yeah, it's about 2 or 3
this
Days.
It's not whole day, just at evening. Yeah, because we have the test week. It's at 5 or 4. I forgot because that week I have 3 tests in that week, and also have 1 presentation and also 1 project. Yeah, 1 project, 1 presentation, and 3. Yeah, 3. I guess, yeah, in that week. So it's very, my time is not too much. So I only can draw is at night. So I only have maybe 2 or 3 hours after my dinner and after my study. I will draw and search from the website to see how I can complete the whole story. Yeah.
We are sorry for troubling you.
Yeah, it's okay.
Lingko, you're final year student, no? Third year, second year.
Second year.
Second year.
Yeah.
Eugene?
Second year. Okay, last meeting.
Okay, that's all for commit 1. So maybe we can proceed for commit 2.
Okay, so for commit 2 is about alien and human right.
Mm.
It's just like the environment. About environment.
Pollutions of environment, and then the revenge.
So the moral values in this comic strip is very heavy, but then we should always keep this kind of moral value in our mind so that we won't be as that kind of human.
So what is the moral value? Can we mention it?
Moral value?
Don't throw the rubbish in any planet. Or
Don't make others angry. No.
I think it's don't be selfish, because these humans they are being they throw the rubbish to another planet. They didn't think about the
And also always love your planet. That's what this alien do.
yeah to fight for your rights.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Mira.
And also besides, before you make a very huge decisions, you should always consider others' feeling, opinion, so that it won't harm your side, maybe.
I think there's another moral values in this. Before you do something, you have to think.
How about the connection on the environment?
Oh,
I think that is the major moral value that we have to mention.
Because nowadays we know that people just like throw the rubbish everywhere. So we want to express that into this comic strip.
Okay.
So that people will learn.
Because what we throw, what we eat. Because when we throw, for example, on the earth, when we throw rubbish in the river or other places, we have to drink that water.
It's come back to us.
Yeah,
Oh,
it will come back to
the
us.
cycle.
And then when, for example, many pollution happen in the earth. For example, it is because
Combustion.
logging, and then throwing toxic in the river, in the water. So when the logging happen, so what happened to the earth? Acid rain, and then
They will become
Sliding.
landsliding,
Landsliding.
and then the earth become hot. Don't you feel it? Global warming.
climate change.
Because we don't have tree, and also because of the rubbish.
It's because of the rubbish. It can affect
Yeah.
Maybe.
Earth.
Yeah, whole world.
So in the end, which means we destroy ours
Yeah,
by my hand, by our
yeah,
hands.
by our hands. So we don't have to do to other planet. We can see in our planet. So the moral value we don't have. We have to overcome this problem by maybe researcher can do more research on apa? On
How to properly
properly dispose the rubbish.
Or just throw rubbish only at the reserve area.
But from my reading, we have the specific place that we collect the rubbish. But the place is very big. But the place cannot dispose the
Avoid using
rubbish.
plastic bag.
Cannot sustain
so-
the amount of rubbish, no?
big amount of rubbish. So cannot dispose. So the step that we have to take,
And avoid using the plastic bag.
yeah, because
Recycle.
yeah,
And sometimes we have to try to reduce our wastage. For example, do not waste our food, and that's how we can reserve more spaces for our future.
don't you remember that lecturer have taught us that spoon we can eat spoon, so we don't have to throw. After we use, we can eat the spoon.
Biodegradable spoon. Edible spoon.
But we didn't do in Malaysia yet.
I really like that when the lecturers show us a video with the water not just in the butter, just water.
What subjects are you guys talking about?
Ceramic and polymer.
So, Amira, when you're doing this comic, you are the one who draw the
Yeah.
comic strip. So, like, do you have any difficulty on doing that?
Difficulty. Difficulty is to create the alien. How the alien
Smart.
I want to impress the how aliens because these aliens I didn't like the face actually. the head. Because I don't know. Other than that, like this one, I draw many times actually because this one I actually draw in the human face with the bodies, with the legs, all that kind. But I didn't manage to get the same picture with this one, so I changed to this one.
Or you draw the real human.
Yeah.
What about your time management while doing this?
Because this one I do within a day because I don't how to say because I feeling
Excited to draw.
excited. Yes, things, and then there's no other things to do in the room, so I draw.
I know the excitement of drawing because when after we draw, we can see the product of our drawing from our hands.
But second one, I'm not sure whether I am follow our discussions with this comic when I impress it into the comic strip.
I think it's just the same as what we discussed.
Exactly.
Really nice.
So for a few seconds, we can conclude for both comics.
For the whole
Meeting.
for the whole Lex.
Yeah.
So
For
what
my
do you
comic strip.
yeah. Do you enjoy this next?
Yeah, we enjoy.
Yes.
Honestly, I do enjoy this. I love my team members.
Yeah, especially have good team members. Very easy to cooperate.
And actually, this is our
Last-
last
Hopefully we
final
can get
legs.
graduate.
Yeah.
Our last legs.
So good luck to you too.
Do well in your next video.
Have another legs?
Yeah, 2 more.
Already.
2 more.
Yeah, me too.
I think. But actually, that's quite fun. And
Yeah.
enjoy.
But sometimes
Sometimes it
pressure.
can be yeah,
When,
stressful.
when uploading.
Pressure because of people.
I think it depends on the
Group member.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Already 20.
this is all for our reflection video. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
See you again.
Mira.